Hello everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. How are we today? Okay, so today we want to show us how we made this our unisex tees. Okay, we brought to you how we made one of our tee styles or t-shirt styles. Yeah, but we did something a little different this time around. We gave it textures, as you can see. See that texture right there? So that's what stands this one out, and this is also what makes it a little bit more admirable for the female folk to wear. That's why we call it the unisex tee. All right, so essentially this particular one was made in a lot of colors. Actually, we used leftover yarn to make this one, or you can choose to make it plain because it turns out really beautiful when it's plain, as you can see. You'll see at the end of of this video. All right, so essentially for this particular tee, we used the houndstooth stitch to make it all over except the collar. And then we also used very lightweight yarn to make it, to give it that soft t-shirt feel. There's a reason why people think crochet is not suitable for t-shirts, but it is, depending on the weight on the weight of yarn you use in crafting it. All right, so this tee, we're just going to go straight on, was worked in, say, three parts. Yeah, we worked the body first. All right, then we worked the sleeves, we worked the collars, and then we edged all edgings. We used the front post, back post stitch to edge softly too, just with the same lightweight yarn. Right, see what we did with the colors. Even though the body has all of these colors, we tried to put them all together with this yellow sleeves and yellow bees. All right, do you know how to work the houndstooth stitch? If you don't, we're going to put a link in the description box below where you can check that out. Now, the measurements you require to make a t-shirt generally are definitely be the widest part of the person's body, you know, where the t-shirt is going to stop. For ladies, we like our t-shirts to stop just above our pant line. So it means for the most part you will not need the hip measurement. All right, so the bust measurement is usually sufficient. Do not forget the biceps measurement, so that you're not going to make very loose cuffs for the person. Do not forget the armhole measurement. Don't forget that at all. And then, of course, always remember to ask the individual how long they want their t-shirt to be. Some want, they see that part where I said you may not need the hip measurement. When the individual says that they want their t-shirts to droop all the way below their hips, it means you're going to need the hip measurement. However, if they do not, you know, if they say, oh, it's okay, let it just stop where my pant line stops, or just underneath my navel, because some of us like it really short, or there are those who might even want it to be a tank tee. And if it is a tank tee, it means to just stop around the diaphragm, just above the navel. So all of these measurements should be taken into consideration when you're having a discussion with whoever it is that's going to wear it. For the collar, we used thicker yarn, right? And then we worked single crochet stitches. Yeah, of course, the reason for that is really clear, because we're going to be writing on the canvas, so we needed something that's easy to write on. Single crochet stitches are really easy to write on. So that's about how we made this t-shirt. You know, told you all the basics. Houndstooth stitch, very lightweight yarn, and then the measurements required. Are you new to our channel? Please do subscribe. And every week we bring you various videos of how we made our bespoke apparel. They are really, we have beautiful, beautiful, beautiful apparel you can make, wear yourself, make, share with friends, make and sell. All right, make and sell, especially that. Okay, the economy is going hourly these days, and so people need that extra income. So if your hobby can make you some money, why the heck not? All right, so thank you so much for watching how we made our t-shirt. Do you have questions? Do ask us in the comment section, and we would endeavor to answer them. Bye for